Hi there, students. A bender. To go on a bender. A countable noun. Okay, a bender is a period in which you drink a huge amount of alcohol. So last weekend was just one big long bender. It was one big booze up. Yeah, we went binge drinking all weekend. We went on a bender. Okay, to go on a bender. They went on a bender. Yeah, they got drunk for several days in a row. Okay, so a bender, a wild drinking spree. He had stopped drinking for several months, but some friends arrived and he had a couple of drinks, and then they went on a bender that lasted 4 days. So yeah, a wild drinking binge, a drinking spree, a bender. So he was very hungover after a bender that had lasted several days. So to go on a bender, to drink huge amounts of alcohol over a period of time. Okay, a bender. Let's see other meanings. A bender could be something that bends, or somebody that bends. So I guess in the circus you could have somebody that bends iron bars. He's a bender, possibly. He's a bender of the truth, or perhaps copper pipes. There's this spring that you put, and you use this machine as a bender. Now also be careful, in British English a bender could be an offensive slang word for a homosexual. The reason for that is somebody is straight, they're heterosexual, and therefore they're bent or a bender. But be very careful with that, because it's very offensive. But a bender, a bout of drinking. Yeah, to go on a bender, a booze up, to get absolutely hammered. Yeah, to go on a drinking spree, to go carousing, to go on a bender. Yeah, an extended period of excessive consumption of alcohol. Yeah, okay, so is when you drink too much. I guess you could have a fender bender. That's an accident where the bumper gets bent. It's a fender bender. Yeah. Okay, but so to go on a bender, a drinking binge. Yeah. His benders usually last a week or something like that. Well, it's ages since I've been on a bender. Yeah. So my team won the league, and I went on a bender with my mates. Okay, so a wild drinking spree. Yeah, a self-destructive alcoholic haze from going on a bender. I think the Americans also actually use this word, a bender, for the pitcher when he throws the ball and it curves. That could also be a bender as well. Yeah, but yeah, to go on a bender, to go drinking. Let's see, a bender, formality. I think I would give this 3 in, no, 3, I think I'm going to go to 4 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but not something not very formal. I think very often people consider this is to do with bending your elbow so that you get your drink. Yeah, to bend your elbow. Although it might also be something to do with an old sixpence. A sixpence is a coin. And as this used to be pure silver and quite thin, it was easy to bend with your hands. And the sixpence was very often known as a bender. And for sixpence, you could get horribly drunk. Yeah, I think there were many bars or many pubs where for twopence, not 6, you could drink all day. They'll let you drink as much as you want for 2p. Okay, so, and therefore this gives rise to the expression go on a bender. You've got a 6p. It's enough for 3 people to drink all day. So, enough. A bender. A spree of drinking. Yeah? A heavy drinking binge. A bout of drinking. He's been out on a bender with his mates. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A bender.